What's up YouTube? Today I want to show you how to make commercial grade through my luts. If you bought my luts already, you will receive two different packs. One is a look DNA and the other is the skintone.
But into this tutorial, I'm gonna need to use the skin patch.
Just the skin patch. Okay, is it because in a commercial grade we don't have a bluish interiors or yellowish to orange and everything looks natural and we don't need excess anymore? What about we grade wedding or an event? First CST as usual, then a quick balance into my look node. Instead of twist and tweak or apply those luts, we're gonna leave it like that. Then to my skin tone, and then to my skin tone, that is where I'm about to settle things perfect. Select my skin luts, fix it perfectly, and then boom, I'm going to curve this image. I'm done. Thanks very much for watching this video. I hope I will see you on next tutorial. Please comment down there below, click the bell button if you never done, subscribe if you never just did,